What if I told you this truck can cross deserts, climb mountains, survive extreme climates, and still give you a warm bed and a hot shower at the end of the day? This is not a normal camper, and it's definitely not a normal truck. What you're seeing here is the Mercedes-Benz Zetros Expedition Camper, a machine built for the harshest places on Earth and transformed into a moving home for people who want absolute freedom. The Zetros was originally designed as a military and industrial vehicle, meant to operate in war zones, deep deserts, and remote regions with zero infrastructure. That DNA is still very much alive in this camper version, which is why it looks so massive, aggressive, and unstoppable. The cab-over design gives excellent visibility and better off-road angles, while the heavy steel bumpers, reinforced body, roof racks, ladders, and oversized off-road tires all serve a real purpose. Nothing on this vehicle is just for looks. The 6x6 layout, with 3 axles and 6 driven wheels, allows it to carry huge weight while maintaining traction on sand, mud, rocks, snow, and uneven terrain where normal vehicles would fail instantly. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz Zetros is powered by a legendary Mercedes diesel engine, usually from the OM926 or OM457 family, producing roughly 326 to over 420 horsepower, depending on configuration. More important than horsepower is torque, and this truck has plenty of it, allowing it to crawl up steep inclines, pull heavy loads, and move steadily through difficult terrain without stress. The engine is designed to be extremely reliable and capable of running on lower quality diesel fuel, which is critical when traveling through remote parts of the world. Power is sent through a heavy-duty manual transmission with low-range gearing and locking differentials, giving the driver complete control in extreme off-road situations. This truck doesn't rush, it conquers. The off-road capability is where the Zetros truly separates itself from anything else on the road. With massive ground clearance, flexible suspension, and equal weight distribution across all 6 wheels, it can cross deep sand without sinking, crawl over rocks without losing traction, and handle deep mud and water crossings with confidence. This is the kind of vehicle that doesn't need roads, because it was never designed to depend on them. Now here's the part that surprises most people: the living space. Behind that rugged exterior is a fully insulated expedition camper module that can feel more like a luxury apartment than a truck. Depending on the builder, the interior usually includes a full bedroom with a large bed, a complete bathroom with shower and toilet, a functional kitchen with stove, sink, refrigerator, and storage, and a dining or lounge area that converts into additional sleeping space. Most builds also include large freshwater and gray water tanks, powerful solar panels, lithium battery systems, and climate control systems that allow you to stay comfortable in extreme heat or freezing cold. This means you can live completely off-grid for weeks or even months without needing external power, water, or campsites. Technology and safety are also a major part of the Zetros Expedition setup. Many builds include satellite communication systems, GPS navigation designed for remote travel, recovery gear like winches and traction boards, reinforced mounting systems between the cab and camper, and additional fuel tanks to extend driving range far beyond what normal vehicles can achieve. This is a vehicle built not just for adventure, but for survival and self-reliance. Now let's talk about the price, because this is where reality hits hard. In the United States, the Mercedes-Benz Zetros is not officially sold to the public, so it must be imported. A Zetros chassis alone can cost anywhere from around $200,000 to $300,000 US, depending on configuration and import costs. Once you add a custom expedition camper build, luxury interior, solar and battery systems, water systems, shipping, taxes, and compliance modifications, the total price usually ends up between $350,000 and $800,000. High-end, fully custom builds with premium materials and advanced systems can easily exceed $1 million. This is not a weekend camper or a casual road trip vehicle. This is for extreme overlanders, long-term world travelers, expedition professionals, and people who want to go anywhere on Earth without asking permission. It's not for crowded campgrounds or paved parking lots. It's for people who want to disappear beyond the map, wake up in places few humans ever see, and carry their entire life with them wherever they go. The Mercedes-Benz Zetros Expedition Camper is not just transportation, it's a statement of independence, strength, and ultimate freedom. If money and borders were no problem, this truck could quite literally take you around the world.